Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom accessories with the BOPai vacuum suction shower head holder. Let's see if this gadget lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about convenience. This shower head holder boasts a powerful suction cup design, eliminating the need for drilling or screwing into your walls. Installation is a breeze. Simply press it against the wall, push out the air, and slide the suction lever downward. Plus, it's relocatable and reusable, making it perfect for renters or anyone who likes to switch up their shower setup. But convenience means nothing if the product can't deliver on performance. Luckily, the BOPai shower head holder doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its silicone material and large 3-inch suction cup, it can bear up to 7.5 pounds of weight. Meaning your handheld shower head stays securely in place, no matter how vigorous your showering habits are. And let's talk about versatility. With its adjustable design, you can lower or raise your shower head to your desired height, perfect for households with users of different heights or mobility levels. Plus, its sleek chrome finish adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom decor. But what about durability? Well, according to our research and testing, this holder is built to last. Many users report years of reliable use, with the suction staying strong even in humid bathroom environments. Plus, its lightweight yet heavy-duty plastic construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily showering. So, is the BOPai vacuum suction shower head holder worth the investment? In our opinion, absolutely. Its combination of convenience, performance, versatility, and durability make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their shower experience. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy showering!